Next thing we're going to talk about is muffling, or sometimes known as dampening. Muffling is when you control the length of the sound of the timpani, and that's done by lightly touching the head of the drum. Now this can be done in three different fashions, or three different ways. The first way is to do it with the opposite hand of that which you're playing. Another way is there's two different ways that we can do it with the same hand. And one is keeping the fulcrum, or the thumb and the finger on the stick, and just using these three fingers to stop the drum. Another way is actually letting the stick fall into the thumb crease and using all four fingers of the hand. To practice this, I recommend doing just one hand and muffling with the other. So for this exercise, I'm going to do one stroke on my right hand and muffle with my left. Make sure when you're muffling that we don't actually hear the fingers hitting the drum. Let's do the same thing for the opposite hand. Then, once that sounds good, practice doing the same hand muffles. There's a couple of different reasons why we would use a muffle or why we would dampen the drum. One way is to control the end of the note at the end of a piece and to shape it like the band or like the woodwinds and the brass are doing. Another way is to make it shorter or more staccato.